Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For anybody who's new here, my name is Olivia and today we are doing a Sephora Play unboxing. So let's get right into it. Box, I just want to remind everybody to subscribe to my channel. If you like unboxing videos, if you want to see more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you think, let me know if you want to see me do any more unboxings, let me know. So we are going to bust this open. Sephora Play is a $10 a month subscription box that you can order from Sephora. Obviously, it is a monthly subscription, and in the box you receive 5 deluxe size samples, and then you also receive usually like 1 bonus item, and that's usually something that's going to be like a foil packet or something like that. So let's see what we got this month. So every month we always get a little pamphlet that tells us all about the theme of the box and the different products, gives us information on the actual products, how to use them, etc. So let's see, this month is, oh my god, Sephora Bingo! That's cute! I love Bingo. I live for it. Okay, let's see. How do you play? Oh, this is cute. Okay, so all of these little things right here just all have cute little things, and like if you've done it you just check it off, and then if you get a bingo then that's cool, you don't win anything. But we do have our bonus 50 VIB Beauty Insider points. We have a 50 free bonus Beauty Insider points. So with any purchase that you make at Sephora, you can just bring this in and you get an extra free 50 points. Let's get into it. Oh, that's really cute. So this month they started doing like ASMR. They started doing plastic bags instead of the little drawstring bags that they originally did, which I like plastic bags. They're handy to just like throw things in if you need to, or if you don't want them you can just recycle them. Way better than a reusable bag. So let's get in here. The first item that I have here feels weird. This is called Sachajuan. I've never heard of this brand. I think it's Sachajuan is the name of it, and it is just a sample of their moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, so it feels weird because it's like foil on this side but then cardboard on this side, and you rip them apart, and to get the shampoo out you like snap it and the shampoo and conditioner comes out. That's kind of cool. I've never heard of this brand. So I'm kind of curious to try it. So I might try the shampoo at least next time I wash my hair, which won't be for a while. Let's see, does this have any sulfates in it? Yes, this has sulfates in it. So I don't need her. We don't know her. Anyway, moving on. Next we have a Urban Decay Perversion Volumizing Mascara. This is actually a good mascara. I can't just say that this is a good mascara, but I used to like this mascara. I haven't used it in a really long time, but it is long wearing. It has a nice, really big, like thick brush on it, and I like brushes like that. They give you lots of volume. So I used to like this mascara. I'll give it another try. I feel like we've gotten a lot of Urban Decay in the last few boxes. Like I feel like I just got we just got that primer potion last month, and I feel like I just got a setting spray from them like maybe the month before. So I mean, I appreciate the Urban Decay. let's see who is up next. Oh, cool. This is a IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. Good brow pencil. It is in the shade Universal Taupe, which is, I'm pretty sure, the only shade that they make it in. But these are actually a really good sample size. So you get your Universal Brow Pencil on this side, and then they actually give you a spoolie on the trial size, which I feel like is really nice. These ones, so it's called a Universal Brow Pencil because it's supposed to be able to match any hair color, not blue, but any natural hair color. So basically the idea of this brow pencil is you're supposed to be able to, like, if you had really light blonde hair, you would just need to like softly brush this through. But if you had like super dark brown hair, if you pushed harder on the pencil, it's supposed to make it darker to match your dark brown hair, which I feel like is a pretty basic concept. The harder you push on the brow pencil, the darker it's gonna be, you know? But it's supposed to be universal shade. And, you know, I haven't really used this one in a while either. Like, I feel like this brow pencil and the Perversion mascara, like, those are some throwback products, okay? Next, ooh, I feel something weird in here. I'm gonna save it. Next we have Volition Turmeric Brightening Polish for face and body. This is a pretty small sample for face and if you were gonna use this for your body. So it looks like a physical exfoliant. Gently massage onto wet skin. Leave on for 2 minutes. Oh, cool. So it's like a little mini face mask. Rinse thoroughly and apply. Rinse thoroughly. Apply to face and body once a week for external purposes only. Good to know. So I don't really use a lot of like physical exfoliants. I use more chemical exfoliants on my skin. But every now and again, it feels really good to like get in there with something like that. So I might just keep this in my shower, and like maybe once a week when I'm washing my hair, I could do like this little physical exfoliant moment as well. Like really, because I'm just like take an hour-long shower, you know? Yeah, I like that you leave it on like a little mask for a couple minutes. So I'm kind of interested. I wonder what it smells like. It doesn't seem like it has much of a smell. So anyway, I'll give it a try. Looks like it's cruelty-free. Cool. Okay, so next in here, we have, this is another OG product, okay? So we have the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. And this one is the lotion. So this is the one for very dry to dry combination skin. I love Clinique moisturizers. End of story. Like, I fucking love them. They work so good. This like OG yellow moisturizer, oh yes, like give it to me. I love this moisturizer. They do the yellow one in kind of like a more gel formula as well. I think that one is supposed to be for more oily skin, but it's still super hydrating, and I have dry skin and I still love that one and use that one. And the Clinique Moisture Surge, like, I love them. I love all three of those moisturizers. I love Clinique moisturizer. I will use it forever. I'll use it forever. It's so good. Thank you for just like a little boost on my Clinique, because I love that shit. Okay, so the last thing is this weird bottle, and it feels like, oh, I was gonna say it feels like a nail polish bottle, but it is the Sephora Triple Action Cleansing Water with matcha green tea extract. So this is basically a micellar water. I've never tried the Sephora one. I've gotten their like eye makeup remover. That's supposed to be like the Clinique Take the Day Off, or like the Lancome one. That you shake it up and it has like the oil and like it just melts off your eye makeup. I love eye makeup removers like that. But anyway, so this is a micellar water. It says that it is for face and eyes. And it says clinically proven tolerance. To what? I don't know. But I'll give it a try. So that was everything that we had. I like that we got a pink bag this month. I think that's really cute and springy. Overall, am I like super impressed with this box? No. It was like a throwback box for me, honestly. Like the Perversion mascara, the Clinique moisturizer, the It Cosmetics brow pencil. Those are 3 products that have been around forever, like since the beginning of time, basically. So there's nothing like too cutting edge there, but I'll use all of that. So, I mean, I'm getting my money's worth, which is good. I'll definitely use them. And then the micellar water, I'll use that too. You know, I like the micellar water. And the scrub, I'll probably use that too. Like I said, maybe just like keeping it in my shower and using it like once a week when I wash my hair would probably be a good way for me to use something like this. And it looks like you would get a good, probably like 3 uses out of this. And this is a brand that I haven't really heard of either. Is it Volition? Volition? I think it's a Volition. I mean, yeah, I'll give it a try. It has turmeric in it, so that's supposed to make your skin look nice and bright, and I always want to make my skin look nice and bright, so I'll give it a try. And then this, I was really excited because it came in like cool, kind of cool packaging, and I've never heard of this brand, and I just like, this just looks like these smell good, but I mean, it has sulfates in it. Like, my hair would be green after using that. Like, it'd be like blue dye. Bye. Not anymore. So I'm like, yeah, I'll just pass it along, but like, I don't even know who I could pass that along to, like, that would use a shampoo that has sulfates in it. What the hell? I mean, why do they make shampoo with sulfates in it anymore? I guess, I mean, literally, who could I give this to? My husband. Maybe he'll use it. He doesn't dye his hair. Like, I literally don't know any female who does not dye their hair and wants shampoo with sulfates in it. Like, ish, that's gonna strip your color, okay? Like, I'm not a natural ass bitch, okay? It says it's going to restore hydration, nurtures damaged strands, and it delivers shine, body, and bounce. I want all those things, but I don't want to dump all my blue hair dye down the drain. So this is, I don't know what to do with that. Overall, I like go back and forth with this box. I'm like, do I want to keep you? Do I not? You know, it's like I get all these things, I'm like, yeah, I'll use it. But I'm not like, wow, something new and exciting, you know? So that was everything that we got in our Sephora Play box this month. Overall, just looking at this box, would I recommend this box to you? I feel like kind of same as last month, you know? A lot of OG products in here where if you didn't have a big collection, if you were just getting into makeup and skincare and things like that, it would be good for you. But me having a pretty extensive collection and having tried a lot of things, it's just okay. I don't know if I should keep this box. Let me know down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite moisturizer is. And I will see you guys on the next one. If you liked this video, again, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like this. Maybe I should get another subscription box and we can like do a battle or something. I don't know. We'll see. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.